Bullish STEPN cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.04 and $2.26 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $1.04 by 2025. Bearish STEPN market cost expectation for 2022 is 18 cents. STEPN presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about STEPN cost forecast. On the whole, we should view the fundamental presentation of this money on the off chance that you need a decent profit from your productive speculation from it. STEPN, the primary NFT drive in view of the transition to procure idea, is a sound way of life application with social money and play to procure perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish STEPN in August 2021. STEPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Rivalry prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse token, the STEPN's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project headways and depository circulation. Prior to making a STEPN cost, we look at what is GMT. Furthermore, STEPN specialized in essential investigation. How about we check it out? What is STEPN? STEPN is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind STEPN. The venture deals with the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is a great many people's ordinary movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, STEPN wrapped the third next in line and was the main undertaking to coordinate the move to procure idea practically. The objective of the game part of STEPN is to urge a great many clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-emission cars. Then again, the social money part of STEPN plans to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. STEPN specialized investigation. The STEPN token's value forecast is irrefutably in view of a definite assessment of its value diagram and specialized examination, taking into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the digital money. While inspecting the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 MAMA line. The vertical gouge pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting in market cap to challenge its new opposition levels. These investigations are perky regardless of whether there is an overall feeling of a bear market that could saturate the crypto business. The STEPN cash and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate considerably more quickly than the in general crypto market cap, giving financial backers huge additions on both short and long-haul possessions. Moreover, you should decide the kind of help and opposition levels that STEPN cost gauge experiences to anticipate its future. The even opposition can be recognized by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. STEPN basic investigation. Dealers utilize specialized investigation to zero in on a resource's presentation, habitually down to the moment on exchanging graphs, while principal research does the specific opposite. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them an exhaustive information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The real worth of a resource is what crucial investigation plans to recognize. For instance, by considering various inside and outside measures, you might decide if a cryptographic money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the proverb, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the principal thought of the crucial examination. Financial backers that stick to central examination contend that the fundamental indicator of a resource's future presentation is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers looking to buy modest resources, this is a great strategy. There are many incentives for GMT according to authentic information. The incentive is improved on the grounds that it isn't covered. The whole mining biological system knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. STEPN current cost. STEPN is right now worth 23 cents USD. GMT has moved 0.92% as of now with an exchanging volume of $26,636,128. STEPN is right now positioned 135 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $138,106,093 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. STEPN Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform 57 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the GMT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 46 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 50 cents. STEPN value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 80 cents and GMT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 73 cents and a low of 69 cents in 2024. STEPN value expectation 2025. Assuming that STEPN effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2025. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.04, with a base cost of 92 cents and a typical cost of 96 cents. STEPN value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.15 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, GMT has a greatest value worth of $1.27. STEPN value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.43. On the off chance that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.38. STEPN value forecast 2028. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.61 and a yearly cost close above $1.73 in 2028. STEPN value expectation 2029. By 2029, STEPN will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.84 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.96, averaging out at $1.89. STEPN value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest GMT cost in 2030 is projected to be